Okay, so I know that the title of this video says unboxing, but House of CB unboxing, but this isn't really like an unboxing. It's more like me kind of reviewing these dresses that I already tried on. So let's get to it. So, yes, I shopped at House of CB recently for the first time in my whole life, and I was really excited to wear these dresses to my sister's anniversary party, her 10-year wedding anniversary party. I was so excited to wear these dresses. And long story short, the dresses did not fit. The first one was a medium that I ordered and it did not fit. And it was beautiful. It's a beautiful dress, but it just didn't fit. And I'd ordered a backup dress in a large. And when I got that one came late. It was supposed to come on Thursday and I was leaving out on Friday, but it didn't get here until Friday. It may have even been Saturday. I don't know when it was delivered. But yeah, it was super late. So didn't matter anyways because the dresses didn't fit and I had to end up going to Windsor to get a dress for the party. And I really wanted to kind of like not match my sister. So I'm actually kind of glad that the last one didn't come in because I didn't want to match her. I just wanted to sort of look kind of like we flowed because I really wanted to take so many pictures and for Instagram, but I'm kind of glad that the last one didn't come in. As a matter of fact, when she watches this video and probably sees that I ordered kind of like the exact same dress that she was wearing. It was a surprise party, but she had shown me her outfit that she was wearing because she thought she was going to dinner. And yeah, I'm kind of glad that she didn't, that the dress didn't come in time. So it's all cool. But nonetheless, obviously House of CB boxes are beautiful and they come in these two big packages. I know I just kind of threw the bow on this one because I didn't know how to put it back on there, but packaging is always so cute. But I'm gonna start with the first dress that I got. And the first one came like this. How cute is that? The boxes are so cute. I just love the ribbons. I just wear this in my hair. Let me see. Do you have to send the ribbon back when you send the boxes back? Let me see. Oh, so cute. Oh my God. Okay. So, all right. So the first dress that I got is the white Carlotta dress. I feel like I'm gonna have to turn the contrast down a little bit. Okay. So the first dress that I got was this one, and it's the Carlotta dress that's ruched all the way down, all through the back, hangs off the shoulder. I'll try and insert a picture. And this is the one that I got in a medium. Right off the bat, I love the material. The material is amazing. It's nice and thick and heavy. It feels just like amazing quality, honestly. And I can tell you that there's boning all throughout this dress. Like you have so much support in this dress. There's boning in the top part of the dress that goes, does it go all the way down? It doesn't go all the way down, but there's boning at the top part of the dress. So the top part is almost like you're stepping into a corset, kind of. And it hangs off the shoulder. And it's not white. I think on the picture on the model on the website, it looks like a white dress. It's not a white dress. It is a cream, kind of like ivory colored dress. It's not white. It almost, my mom said it almost kind of looks kind of like tan, but I think you could, I would call it like a true ivory color. It's just ivory. It's like an off-white, which is really nice. I think this would be great for like to wear if you're like getting married and it's like your bachelorette party or your bridal shower or something. Like I would totally wear this dress. Like I said, the corseting in it is gonna just like suck you in and snatch you. And it also has draping in the front, which is great for people like me that have bigger, that are a little bit heavier chested, because the draping is going to kind of distract from how big your upper area is. Do you know what I'm saying? The fact that the dress is fully ruched is going to make you look like, okay? So here was my problem with this dress. It's super tight. You guys, I don't even have a big butt. Like, I have no butt, okay? Like, this is my butt. I have no butt. Sorry, I have eyeshadow on my pants, but I have no booty, okay? And when I put this dress on, I usually don't have a problem getting things over my legs and butt and hips because I just don't have them. But when I put this dress on, it was so tight. There's no give in the dress at all. Like, not even a little bit. There's no give. And I couldn't get it up over my butt. So, I was like, okay, forget it. So then I struggled getting it up over my butt, and I finally pulled it up, and then I realized that it wasn't gonna zip up over my back. It just wasn't happening. And so I just gave up, and I was like, okay, whatever, it's not gonna zip. I have another dress coming. But the issue with this dress was that it said that it was black. Hold on, let me get it out for you. So yeah, that's that dress. This is a medium, and they say on the website that their clothes are true to size, but I feel like they're cut really, really small. They're definitely not true to size at all. So yeah, I would definitely size way up in this because it does run pretty tight. Okay. All right, so the next box that I got came in this beautiful pink box instead of the gray one. And this is the one that didn't get here in time. All right. Look at all that sparkle. Okay, so I'm glad this one didn't come in because my sister got this exact same dress and I can't remember what the name of the dress is, but it's the one that wraps and it's like low cut and it's really, really cute. It's really short. So she got that one in the same color and material. And I knew that she was getting the dress, but when I looked at it, her dress looked super light, like a light gray. And they said that the color was called graphite, which is like obviously like a gray kind of color. And then this one's called Antoinette. It is the same dress as the Ada dress that comes in like a yellowy color. And it said that it was, this one was a black. It says it's a true black, but they're both like that sparkly kind of material. So we were looking at the pictures and thinking that her dress was gonna be like a light gray because it looked like a light gray in the pictures. But then when, they said this one was black and they were like, it looks like it's a true black. And when I got here, I was like, this is the same color dress. And I just don't know why they didn't say it was the same color because I would have been horrified if it had fit, but it was the same color dress as my sister. Like, I would have been really sad, you know, because it was her anniversary and she's the one that needed to shine, not me. So yeah, but I really love the style of this dress and it is from their Victorian Christmas collection, which I love. And yeah, I just thought this was really pretty. But this I ordered in a large just in case the white one didn't fit, which it didn't. And yeah, I put this one on a little while ago and I can't get it zipped up again. You guys, I can't get it zipped up again. I actually feel like, you know what? I'm just gonna put, should I put the dress on and show you guys how crazy it looks? Actually, I'm not gonna do that to myself. So this is a large, right? Look at these cups. I just want to know who told them it was okay to put these size cups on a large dress. And like, do you see that? Like, what was that about to fit on me? Like, I was so devastated because I just feel like, why? The dress is so beautiful. It's like a sparkle, like a flat sparkle. So it's not, the glitter's not gonna be everywhere or go everywhere and come off. It's just absolutely gorgeous. This is also considered like a corseted dress. So it has like the boning kind of in it that it's gonna like suck you in and make you look like you have a very nice shape. Sorry. It's such a beautiful dress, literally. And it's so funny because this one I couldn't get to zip up my back either. Like, what's up with that? Like, I normally wear a medium in most clothes. You know, like some places you go to and stuff does run a little bit tighter. But for the most part, I wear a medium. So it's like, I don't know why, on what planet, why this didn't fit me, but it didn't. But I'm obsessed with the puff sleeves. I almost want to order it in the next size up just to see if that one will zip, because I feel like it probably won't. And I'm hoping that the cups and the other one is a little bit bigger and I might be able to get away with it, and then I can wear it to the Christmas party for at my job. But this is just such a pretty dress and I'm so bummed out that it didn't fit, and now I have to send it back. But yeah, so if you're gonna order a House of CB dress, I would definitely recommend that you guys size up in them, because I know the website says that they're true to size, but I just don't feel like personally they are true to size. It doesn't seem like they take all kind of body types into consideration. I do feel like I'm a little bit heavier up here, whereas I do kind of sometimes need the medium to kind of fit my lower body. So it's just kind of annoying because it doesn't seem like they're very flexible or versatile, but this one did just look stunning on. It's just such a stunning material. Again, it's great quality, heavy material. I just wish the sizing really was true to size because it's not. So yeah, now I have to send both dresses back. Another thing that sucks is that they don't have a way for you to contact them via customer service, because my dress got lost, and well, it wasn't lost, but it was late getting here, and the whole way that you track their packages and how they basically, like, you can't contact them directly, it's just really annoying. They didn't give me a tracking number or anything. I had to track it down via UPS, so I have a little bit of a bitter taste in my mouth about House of CB, but I'm gonna give them one more try, and I'm gonna try a different size and see if that's the problem, because obviously I feel like that's probably the problem, is that I just need something to fit me, you know, in all places. So we're gonna try a different dress and hopefully it works. But yeah, I'm gonna go drink some hot tea now and go to bed. Bye.